Offering views of the Caribbean Sea and Nichupte Lagoon, the AAA 4 Diamond Secrets The Vine Cancun, all-inclusive adults-only resort and spa is located on Cancun Boulevard. This stylish hotel features 6 restaurants, 3 outdoor swimming pools and a spa. Each spacious, air-conditioned room at Secrets The Vine Cancun has attractive, modern decor. There is a flat-screen TV and an interactive tablet. All rooms offer sea views. The spa features a sauna and a steam room. Hydrotherapy and beauty treatments are available. And there is also a hair salon and a gym. The Vine has developed a free connectivity app exclusively for its guests. With this app, guests can make unlimited free phone calls and send free messages around the globe from their own mobiles and tablets. Guests can enjoy international dishes in the resort's buffet restaurant. A la carte gourmet options include fusion Asian cuisine, as well as Italian, Mexican, Peruvian and Mediterranean options. Local activities include cycling, scuba diving and deep-sea fishing. The nearest golf course is a 10-minute drive away. The center of Cancun is 8.7 miles from the resort, while Cancun International Airport can be reached in 15 minutes by car.